ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ କାହିଁକି ଯାଉଛ? Why are you going there? Why are you going there? ତୁମେ ଘରେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? What are you doing at home? What are you doing at home? ତୁମେ ଏଠାକୁ କେବେ ଆସିବ? When will you come here? When will you come here? ତୁମେ କାହା ସହିତ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଅ? With whom do you go there? With whom do you go there? ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଅ ଏବଂ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖ। Go there and learn English. Go there and learn English. ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ନାହିଁ। Don't need to go there. Don't need to go there. ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଏ। I go there. I go there. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଯିବି। I will go with you. I will go with you. ତୁମେ ମୋ ସହିତ କାହିଁକି ଯିବ? Why will you go with me? Why will you go with me? ମୋ ସହିତ ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ। Don't go with me. Don't go with me. ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବା ଭଲ ନୁହେଁ। It is not good things to go there. It is not good things to go there. ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବା ଭଲ କଥା। It is good things to go there. It is good things to go there. ତୁମେ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରିବା ଉଚିତ। You should practice English daily. You should practice English daily. ଦୟାକରି ସେଠାକୁ ଯାଅ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କର। Please go there and help him. Please go there and help him. ତୁମେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଭୁଲ କଲ। You made a mistake. You made a mistake. ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଛ କି? Do you know me? Do you know me? ତୁମେ ସଚ୍ଚୋଟ ହେବା ଉଚିତ। You should be honest. You should be honest. ତୁମେ ଜଣେ ଭଲ ଲୋକ ହେବା ଉଚିତ। You should be a good person. You should be a good person. ତୁମେ ଜଣେ ଡାକ୍ତର ହେବା ଉଚିତ। You should be a doctor. You should be a doctor. ତୁମେ ଜଣେ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ହେବା ଉଚିତ। You should be a teacher. You should be a teacher. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କିଛି ପଚାରୁଛି। I am asking you something. I am asking you something. ମୁଁ ଏହି ବିଷୟ ପଢ଼ାଇବି ନାହିଁ। I will not teach you this topic. I will not teach you this topic. ଇଂରାଜୀ ପଢ଼ିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କର। Start studying English. Start studying English. ଇଂରାଜୀ କହିବା ବନ୍ଦ କର। Stop speaking English. Stop speaking English. ମୁଁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ। I am ready to go there. I am ready to go there. ମୁଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ। I am ready to learn English. I am ready to learn English. ମୁଁ ଏହି କାମ କରିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ। I am ready to do this work. I am ready to do this work. ତୁମେ ସେଠାକୁ କେବେ ଯାଇଥିଲ? When did you go there? When did you go there? ମୁଁ ଜାଣେ ତୁମେ ମୋର ବନ୍ଧୁ। I know you are my friend. I know you are my friend. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ତୁମେ କିଛି ନୂଆ କହୁଛ। I know you speak something new. I know you speak something new. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ। I want to go with you. I want to go with you. ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ତାହା ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେଇ ଶୁଣ। Listen carefully what I am speaking. Listen carefully what I am speaking. ସେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରି ଚାଲେ। He always keeps trying. He always keeps trying. ତୁମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ହସୁଛ। You always keep laughing. You always keep laughing. ମୋତେ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଦିଅ. Let me go there. Let me go there. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଭାବିବାକୁ ଦେବି ନାହିଁ. I will not let you think. I will not let you think.